Why she no longer respects you. A woman can love you, she can laugh with you, she can even care for you, but the second she loses respect, it's over. Respect is the foundation of attraction. Without it, love dies. And the brutal truth is this: most men kill respect without even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly why she no longer respects you and how Stoic psychology can help you win it back. 1. Respect, the foundation of love. Respect is the soil where love grows. Without respect, everything else is temporary. Women don't stay because of gifts, sweet words, or good times. They stay because they admire who you are. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be." B1 respect begins with being a man she looks up to, strong, disciplined, and consistent. When you lose discipline, when you show weakness without growth, when you betray your own values, her respect starts to fade. And once it's gone, everything else crumbles. So what are the real reasons men lose respect in the first place? 2. The hidden mistakes that destroy respect. It's not always cheating or betrayal that kills respect. Sometimes it's the quiet habits that slowly eat away at her admiration, breaking promises you make to yourself and to her, letting emotions control you, anger, jealousy, insecurity, living without a mission, drifting with no purpose, always seeking her approval instead of standing firm. Epictetus taught, first say to yourself what you would be and then do what you have to do. When you live without direction, when you let weakness lead, she cannot respect you. Respect dies in silence, one broken word, one lost standard at a time. But how does Stoic psychology actually rebuild that respect? 3. The Stoic standard of self-mastery. Respect is rebuilt through mastery, not of her, but of yourself. Stoicism demands that a man controls what he can and accepts what he cannot. You can't control her emotions, but you can control your discipline, your words, your actions. Seneca said, "Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power." When you show emotional control, when you act with calm certainty instead of panic, when you choose integrity over comfort, she feels that. She respects it, because it proves you are guided by principles, not impulses. Still, many men think they're strong, yet they secretly make these mistakes that kill respect instantly. 4. The illusions of strength. Some men mistake arrogance for strength. They raise their voice, flex their muscles, or show off their money. But none of that builds respect. Respect doesn't come from noise. It comes from consistency, from living in such a way that she cannot deny your discipline. The man who pretends to be strong but breaks down under pressure loses respect. The man who boasts but never follows through loses respect. The Stoics remind us, don't explain your philosophy. Embody it. Strength isn't claimed, it's lived. And when you live it, respect follows naturally. So what is the Stoic path to keeping her respect for life? 5. The Stoic path to lasting respect. The path is clear. 1. Discipline. Keep your word, especially to yourself. If you say you will rise early, rise early. If you say you will lead, then lead. 2. Purpose. Live for more than love alone. A man without a mission becomes a burden. A man with a mission becomes a magnet. 3. Self-control. Master your emotions. Anger and insecurity kill respect faster than anything else. 4. Consistency. Be the same man in private that you are in public. She respects the man who lives with truth. Respect is not given once and kept forever. It must be renewed daily by how you live. The Stoic path is not about chasing her admiration. It's about becoming the kind of man who cannot lose it. Respect is the root of love. Without it, nothing survives. With it, everything flourishes. Stop chasing her approval. Start mastering yourself. That's the Stoic way. Subscribe for more Stoic truths that every man must live by.